Shell is a great tool when you want to remove the inside from a solid body like this one. And sometimes you might want to follow up with an extrude cut operation. Pick the Shell tool from the Modify drop-down menu or activate Design Shortcuts with keyboard shortcut S and type Shell. Select your face and select the inside thickness. When I orbit around with the view cube, I notice that the back still is there. This is not desired in this phone stand project. Activate Extrude with keyboard shortcut E. Select the profile and perform an extrude cut operation to remove the face. Look at this playlist and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you.